this is how you fix your Ryker when it dies on you because they don't want to make things serviceable. So when your Ryker all of a sudden doesn't want to go anymore, or one of these little ceramic rollers that's inside this thing right here decides that it wants to blow up, it's going to shoot out of here somehow and then end up sometimes, excuse the mess in the background, you can see this right here, it shattered this whole bell. So what we did, we didn't know this at the time, take this, pick it up, we replaced that whole bell, or the whole drive assembly, with a brand new one. Then, after we had that on there for a while and put a new belt in, we found that it wasn't properly doing things right. So that's when we found that inside here, and ignore the one that's in here, I'm going to get a light. There we go. You can see that we've already put one roller in there. It sits like that. And that rolls up against this. Not yet. Actually, this is the new one, sorry. So we've just bought a new one of these driven pulleys. Take this off. And this is the original one that's been on there. And where's the roller? Can we spin this? Mm-hmm. Go ahead and spin this. No, this. There we go. Other way. There we go. So, we managed to get this apart. And you can see we got a roller in there. Let's focus that. Yeah. We got a roller in here. And on the other side, which is here, there's no roller. But you can kind of see where it's chewed up the metal some because it hasn't had a roller in there for a while. And when the second roller, the first one caused the shatter of the housing down here, the second one decided to get stuck in here and it wouldn't allow this to close all the way, which caused belt slippage. So we're going to go ahead and put the new one on there, and this should solve the whole thing. We'll be back. Now bring it to 3,000 and then just let go after it's run for a couple of seconds. I do apologize for the fan noise, but I did get the driven pulley off of the Ryker, and I can guarantee you that one of these rollers is missing. So right here, you can kind of see that brown stainish thing in here. That is a roller that seems to be there and good. But we go to the other side, which is right here, and try to get a light in there. Zoom in. I'm not even seeing a roller. So it is stuck in there somewhere. Here's this light source. Alright. Let's try that. Yeah, there's nothing. So I have a stuck roller in there. So if your transmission or your Ryker wants to continue to move forward, if your Ryker wants to continue to move forward once you've stopped, and it makes a weird noise when you're going into neutral, you have lost a roller. It's going to prevent this from closing as much as it needs to because that roller is in there. If you don't take care of it, it's going to roll down into here and shatter that, which is much more expensive. Good luck.